In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Nvidia Broadcast, which is a powerful app that lets you green screen yourself and even make your eyes autofocus on the camera. Let's get straight into the tutorial. First up, you're going to want to open a browser like Firefox, Edge or Chrome. Then you're going to search up Nvidia app, and then you're going to click on the first link. What you're going to have to do is download the beta. I already have it installed, so I don't have to download it. And then you want to open the exe and let the app install. Then what you're going to want to do is open the Nvidia app and scroll all the way to the bottom. Here in the home and discover section, you can find GeForce Now, Nvidia Broadcast, Nvidia Omniverse, Nvidia Canvas, FrameView and ICAT. You're going to want to click on Nvidia Broadcast. So here, for you, there will be a download button. So you're going to want to press the download button, and when you're ready, you can open it. When it's open, it will let you show anything. So with your microphone, you can do room echo removal or noise echo removal. With speakers, you can remove noise or remove echo. And with your camera, this is the most interesting bit. You can background blur, background replacement, which is basically green screen. You can remove your background, so it's just a black screen. You can remove video noise and make yourself eye contact on the camera and add vignette. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can leave a like, and for more tech reviews, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world. On this channel, I'll be reviewing tech, unboxing tech, and making tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time, live a good life.